Hey guys, we're here today in Cooper City, Florida, installing another brand new split system. You see right now the proper brazing procedure as we purge the nitrogen slightly through the system while Lenny is brazing here. Oops, as you can see. Heat that pipe up so he can braze. We got a flare on that one joint right there for the filter dryer. See the arrow facing in the right direction after the refrigerant flow. And there we go. The soda will follow the heat. So wherever you take your flow, it will follow. Lighter. Brand new blower, brand new coil. As you can see, we just built this new plywood stand here. It's going to get painted. All nice insulation inside. Unit is gutted. There we go. Doing a full 4-piecing with the ducts. Here we go again, Saturday afternoon, beautiful Coral Springs, Florida. You can see JR doing a service call right here, right now. Bad capacitor. He already tested it for his microfarads. Old rusted. This is actually one of our amazing friends and family customer. So we got another unit back there. This is the main unit. This went down. This is the original cap. We are going to upgrade this. Will cost him a lot more, you know, at least 2 times what he paid for a regular cap under warranty. But we are going with a Turbo 200X. Got better warranty on this right now. Microfarad on this capacitor, since it's a 5-ton, is a 70 for the compressor and 5 for the fan. But we'll go ahead and get this. So you can see JR here doing this installation. Get this installed for him so we could get him up and running. You see he's following the process of wiring this up. Getting all his common wires, getting his fan wires. Let me just get closer so they see. So this cap here is a turbo cap, could go from different microfarads. So you see we choose 5 right here for the fan, which is that brown wire. We also have a common. Those 2 orange wires is common. That completes your circuit. Then is a 70 microfarad. So this is 50. This is 20, which equals 70. So what we do, we bring that home wire in, put it on 50, and then we do a jumper from 50 to 20, which completes that microfarad, making it 70 MFD. So there we go again. Get them up on cooling real quick, but we put in some, since we maintain this unit, better value, stronger cap, and better warranty. Always strap and secure your stuff properly. So in this case, this new cap is pretty much the same size as the old one. as far as dimension goes. So we'll go ahead and make sure that's properly secured. You can see it's in there. Secured good, should be fine. Again, we're out here in the city of Coral Springs, Florida. You see we always clean inside, go through with a little brush, get all that cobwebs, all that stuff on your wires, just to make sure everything is good. While we're here, we want to just go ahead and check a contactor. As you can see, make sure it's not pivoted, there's no corrosion on there. You know, again, we maintain this unit, so we'll continue to check this unit. What's the age on this unit? It's 2017. So it's getting up there in age. You know, once we get it all going, we'll still check the refrigerant levels, make sure it's good. Not just repair the part that's broken, but we want to check the entire system, make sure it's good. So that's it for this service call. We in and we out, and we properly, thoroughly check the system. Guys, we're back at it at the end of the day here in Cooper City, Florida. As you see that new insulation, ream, split system, new hurricane code slab, concrete slab, electrical tightly strapped to the wall. There you go with the drain, 12 inches off the wall, full code. That's the new ream, 4-ton split. Gotta put the AskForCool decal on there. Guys is loading up, getting ready for us to head out. The rain hold up on us today, which is pretty good. New air handler, box, new plywood stand is painted all white. New air handler installed, as you see up there. It's pretty sealed tight. Sealed tight up there. It's a new air handler. Stand.